as you can see, you can far brighter than those. But this should be pretty simple. Apparently these just pop out. I'm gonna find out. Look at that, they just pop out. Okay, pull this off. I don't know how to pull this off. It's so dirty. There we go. Then you got the light unit. Then we've got the old bulb here. These are the new bulbs. They've got, like, you can see they've got bits of LED on them. So it's just a straight swap, obviously, it's just a bulb. You never want to touch a bulb when you're replacing them, because you get moisture in the unit, and it's a sealed unit and it'll go all foggy. Probably doesn't matter that much with the back ones here, but still. Is there a certain way it goes in? Okay, there's one. Yeah, it's pretty noticeable. This one's obviously a lot brighter, it's way brighter. I'm quite happy with that. I'll leave a link for these in the description if you want to get some. So I'll just do the other one. So it's literally, there's a clip here, clip out, pull this out, you twist it, it comes out. Pull the old bulb off. In. This goes in sideways and it meets two notches. That should. It's supposed to go in sideways. You twist it and then that's secure. You just push it back in. Okay, let's see. New lights. Bright LEDs. As you can see, these are now like really bright. So yeah, these are definitely a good purchase if you want nice bright white LEDs. The link will be in the description below if you want to get a pair of these. These are proper good. Look how bright they are. You can like see on the floor. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.